So let's move on towards our next paragraph from Clayden book. Products of this kind. What kind of products? Products of this kind means shower gel, soaps, foams, okay, shaving creams, these type of products which are derived from the petrochemical industry. So products of this kind, the about which we had already talked in the previous paragraph. That is the previous lecture. That what kind of product we are talking about right now. So they underplay their petrochemical origins. They underplay their petrochemical origins means that they try to show off as if they are natural products, not derived from crude oil. Okay, their advertisement is like that. That this particular shower gel contains 100 true lemons. Okay, 100 true lemons and with tea tree oil, essential tea tree oil, and etc. All those things. Okay, so this kind of product underplay. Underplay means underestimate. That is, they do not show off that they are from petrochemical origin. They show off as if they are natural products. Okay, and claim affinity with the perceived freshness and cleanliness of the natural world. They claim affinity with freshness and cleanliness of the natural world. They tend to underplay that they are from petrochemical origin. They show off that they are natural things. They also try to tell us after a fashion. Now, what does it mean by trying to tell us after a fashion? It means that it is a fashion nowadays to advertise like this. There is a fashion to advertise like this nowadays. So they tell after a fashion what they contain. For example, try this example: the list of contents from a well-known brand of shower gel. Now, this particular shower gel's photo has been given in Clayden's book. Let me tell you what does it mean actually. So the thing is that it is saying 10 real lemons. It is a shower gel's packet photo. Shower gel's packet photo. So this shower gel contains 10 real lemons. 10 real lemons. And it is saying that it is 100% natural and 100% pure. Okay, and 100% natural lemons and natural essential oils. Okay, this is what it is saying while advertising. While advertising, it is saying like this. But the reality is that when you look at the ingredients, the ingredients are not like that. The ingredients are artificial substances, petrochemical substances. Such are the ingredients of this product. Okay, so that is what is the authors are trying to say. Try this example: the list of contents from a well-known brand of shower gel, which we are reassuringly told is packed with natural stuff. So it is not natural. It is, they are lying to us. The company people are lying to us, including 10 real lemons and contains 100% pure and natural lemon and tea tree essential oils. All these statements are actually false statements. They are very synthetic substances. They are not natural substances. That's what the author wants to say. As soon as you look at the ingredients, you will realize that these are artificial substances, not natural. Okay, and there is nothing called as real lemons, nothing called as natural lemon, packed with 100% pure tea tree essential oils. All these things are false statements, false advertising claims. Okay, so this is what the author wants to say. It doesn't make sense to us. It is, the author is saying that this is all nonsense. These advertisements that these are natural products, these are all nonsense advertisements. It doesn't all make sense to us, but here is a possible interpretation. Okay, we certainly hope these big all these things are quite self-explanatory. These are self-explanatory things that we certainly hope this book will set you on a path of understanding the sense and the knowledge of this sort of thing. Now, the ingredients which have been written over here, the book was saying that we are going to teach you what these ingredients actually mean. So you will understand the sense and the nonsense of what is happening over here. Okay, so it will make more sense to you after you look at the ingredients. And one by one we will look at the ingredients. Okay, we will look at the ingredients one by one. We will look at aqua, then sodium laureate sulfate, and in this sequence till the last. Okay, moving in this sequence like this till the very last. Okay, so we are going to look at that. So what is the purpose of each of these things? Let us have a look. Okay, let me put this to over here. It is okay. So first ingredient number one is what? Aqua. It is written aqua. So chemical meaning is water. Okay, and purpose is solvent. It is used as a solvent. What is the purpose? Using as a solvent. Now, what does it mean by used as a solvent? It means to dissolve the entire shower gel. The entire shower gel has been dissolved in this particular solvent, that is H2O, water. So it has been used as solvent. Its purpose has been given here. So it has been used as a solvent to dissolve the things. Now, sodium lauryl sulfate. The structure of sodium lauryl sulfate is like this, and the sodium lauryl sulfate is used as a detergent. Its purpose is to be used as a detergent over here. So it acts as a detergent over here. Okay. Then the third ingredient, cocamide DEA. It looks something like this. Cocamide DEA looks something like this, and it is used as a foaming agent. What does it mean by foaming agent? Foaming agent means to get the leather. Okay, to get the leather. What does it mean by leather? Leather means foam. And what does it mean by foam? Foam means jhag. In Hindi, foam is called as jhag. Okay. So, in order to get the foam, that is leather, this particular cocamide DEA is put. Leather means LATHER, leather I am talking about. Okay. Not LEATHER. Do not get confused. Okay. LATHER leather is different and LEATHER leather is different. This particular leather refers to the material of animal origin. Skin of animal is leather. Skin of dead animal. Skin of dead animal is leather. Okay, and leather is different thing. Leather is foam, jhag. Okay, foam or jhag. In Hindi, it is called as jhag. Okay. So cocamide DEA, chemical meaning is like this. Its purpose is a foaming agent. Its purpose is a foaming agent. Okay. Foaming agent means it helps to get the foam. It helps to get the foam when we rub the shower gel. When we rub the shower gel with our hands, it is helping to get the foam out of it. It is helping to get the foam. Citrus medica limonum peel oil. Okay, so this is the binomial name. This is binomial name of the uh, plant. You can search this biological name and you will get the photo of the plant. Okay, so it's peels oil. Okay, the peel of this particular citrus plant, it's peel oil. Okay, so peel oil is alpha pinene. It contains alpha pinene, mainly alpha pinene, although it contains other compounds as well, but mainly it contains alpha pinene. Alpha pinene has a structure like this, and it is used for scent. Okay, scent means it has got a perfumery value. Okay, it has got a perfumery value. It acts as a scent and it appeals to the customer. Customer is attracted to the scent of that particular shower gel because of this, because of putting this. Melaleuca alternifolia. Okay, Melaleuca alternifolia leaf oil. Okay, so it's leaf oil. It mainly contains terpene 4-ol. Okay, terpene 4-ol is the constituent of Melaleuca alternifolia leaf oil. So this is the chemical constituent of this particular leaf oil. Okay, you can search on the internet this particular name and you will get the name of the photo of the plant. When you search the name on the internet, you will get photo of the plant. Okay, so don't worry. So it's leaf oil. It mainly contains this compound that is called as terpene 4-ol, and its purpose is to get the scent, appeal to customer, and it is a possible antiseptic. Okay, it can also act as a antiseptic as well. Okay. Now, another thing is glycerin. Now, glycerin, it has been written glycerin, but the chemical name is glycerol. Okay, in the ingredients list, it has been written as glycerin, but the actual name is glycerol, and it's a compound like this. Okay, its structure is like this, and it is a co-solvent along with water. Water acts as a solvent, and this is acting as a co-solvent. Co-solvent means the things which are not dissolvable in water. The things which are not dissolvable in water, they get dissolved in glycerol. That's what is the meaning of this co-solvent. Okay, that's why glycerol has been put in this. And along with co-solvent, it also acts as a moisturizer. And it ensures smoothness. Okay, so the shower gel will feel very smooth. When you rub it to the hands. So when you rub the shower gel to the hands, it feels very smooth. So this glycerol ensures smoothness, and it is also a moisturizer. Okay, it does not let water go off from your skin. It retains water in your skin. This moisturizer retains water in your skin. It helps prevent drying of skin. Cocamidopropyl betaine. Okay, cocamidopropyl betaine. This is the structure of the compound. Cocamidopropyl betaine. Once again, cocamidopropyl betaine. Okay, it is a detergent similar to sodium laureth sulfate. Okay, it is also a detergent. Detergent means used for cleaning the dirt. Detergent simply means that it is used for cleaning the dirt, and it is also anti-electrostatic. What does it mean by being anti-electrostatic? So the meaning of being anti-electrostatic is that when you apply the shower gel to the body, okay, you will rub the shower gel on your body, right? While bathing, while taking the bath, you will rub the shower gel to your body, and when you rub the shower gel to your body, actually uh, the body gets electrically charged. Static electricity is produced in the skin of the human body, and when static electricity is produced in the skin of human body, that is static electricity in turn brings dryness to the skin. It in turn brings dryness to the skin, and it is harsh for the skin to get electrostatic charges on the skin. It is very harsh for the skin. That's why this anti-electrostatic agent has been put. This anti-electrostatic agent has been put for that purpose itself. Okay. Then why has sodium chloride been put? NaCl, sodium chloride, has also been put in the shower gel. So let us understand what is its purpose. Its purpose is to control solubility of Na+ based detergents. Now, sodium laureth sulfate, this is the structure of sodium laureth sulfate. Now the thing is that it is highly soluble in water because of this Na positive ion. Okay, it is highly soluble in water. So because of that, foam is not formed properly. Instead, it gets dissolved in water completely. It gets dissolved in water completely, and foam is not formed. Okay. So if we control the solubility of this particular product by putting NaCl, we can control the solubility of this product. So it will not be 100% soluble after putting NaCl. Its solubility will reduce, and when its solubility will reduce, what will happen? In turn, it will be when its solubility will be reduced, it will make a better foam. It will make a better foam. Okay. So that is the thing. That's why NaCl has been put. It has been put to control solubility of Na+ based detergents. So when the solubility is reduced, properly foam is formed. Instead of watery solution, leather solution is formed. Okay, solution consisting of foam is formed. So that's why NaCl has been put. Now why lactic acid has been put? Why did they put lactic acid? So lactic acid's structure is something like this. It is an acidifier. Now let me tell you that these shower gel detergent like this and detergent like this, okay, these are what? These are basic in nature. And human skin is slightly acidic pH. Okay, human skin has slightly acidic pH. Okay, human skin has slightly acidic pH. Now, when we put the detergent like this, it disturbs the pH of the skin. It disturbs because these detergents which are put in this, they are alkaline in nature. And if they are alkaline in nature, they will disturb the pH of the skin. In order to prevent that, acidifier is put so that the alkaline effect of the detergent can be reduced and the pH of the skin can be maintained. That's why acidifier like lactic acid are put. Styrene acrylates copolymer. Okay, this has also been put in the shower gel. So, okay, this is also an artificial substance. So the shower gel company, which is suggesting that we are very natural, environmental friendly shower gel, and we have used 100% natural tea tree oils, and with the strength of 10 true lemons, all these claims are fake claims. Okay, fake claims. They are not true claims. Okay, they are for marketing purpose. Okay, so styrene acrylates copolymer looks something like this. Here the alkyl group can be methyl or hydrogen. This alkyl group R, in the place of R there can be methyl group, or in the place of R there can be hydrogen as well. These are called as styrene acrylates copolymer, and it is a film former. Now why do we need film? So suppose this is the human skin. So above the human skin, one film is formed after bathing with the shower gel. A film of this substance. Okay, a film of a minute film, very thin film, very less thickness. Okay, very thin film will be formed on the human skin after washing with this shower gel, and it will protect the skin of the humans. Okay, so it acts as a thin film former. So this forms a thin film over the human skin. Okay, and this is the purpose why it has been put. And because of that thin film will make the skin look healthy. It will make the skin look healthy after washing the skin with the shower gel. That's why this has been put. That's why this has been put. Now, tetrasodium glutamate diacetate. This is the tetrasodium glutamate diacetate structure, and its function is like a chelator, and it prevents formation of insoluble scum in hard water. So let me tell you in short what does it mean. So in hard water, calcium ions are present. What does it mean by hard water? Okay, calcium and magnesium ions. Because of these two ions, hard water is formed. Okay, hard water is formed because of calcium 2 positive ion and magnesium 2 positive ion. Because of this, hard water is formed. Because of these two ions, hard water is formed. Or the water gets hard. Water gets hard because of these two ions. Okay. Now, if the tap water is hard and we do not put this particular compound, then what will happen? The soap will form an insoluble scum, because the salts of calcium and magnesium, are insoluble in water. Okay, so as they are insoluble in water, if the water is hard, the soap will not dissolve in water. Then the soap will not dissolve in water, because the soap's Na positive ion, will be replaced by Ca2 positive ion and Mg2 positive ion. Okay, so soap's Na positive ion will be replaced by these two ions, and as a result the soap will not dissolve in water if the water is hard. Okay, it will form an insoluble scum in hard water. Okay, so to prevent this particular compound is put. Now what does this compound do? This compound acts as a chelator. Okay, so over here negative charge is there on oxygen, over here also negative charge is there on oxygen, over here also negative charge on oxygen, and over here also negative charge is there on oxygen. So these 4 Na positive ions will go away from here. These 4 Na positive ions will go away from here, and this ion will be left. Now what will this ion do? So the problem was that the sodium of soap was being replaced by calcium and magnesium. Now, in order to solve the problem, this compound has been put, and what it will do? What it will do is that it will donate the electron pair to these ions. It will donate the electron pair on oxygen to these ions. Electron pair on oxygen will be donated to these ions. As a result, these ions will not react with soap. Okay, because these ions will react with this, so obviously they will not react with soap. So this chelator is the thing which prevents formation of insoluble scum in water. Okay, so it helps in prevention of insoluble scum formation in water, in hard water. Now, why has this been put sodium benzoate? The structure is like this. It is used as a preservative. It has been put like a preservative because all these compounds may get, okay, in order to avoid the foul smell, and increasing the longevity, increasing the shelf life, and longevity of this shower gel. In order to do that, so that the substances are not broken down by bacteria or something like that, and resulting in foul smelling shower gel, in order to prevent all those things, sodium benzoate has been put in order to prevent the spoilage of shower gel. Okay, so it acts as a preservative. Now let me put this to the downward side. Okay, over here it will be good. Let me see. Yeah, over here it is good. So this particular compound PEG, PPG, 120,10 trimethylol propane trioleate. Okay, this is the structure. These are the R1 and R2. No need to remember these structures. So this is viscosity controller. Now the thing is that the shower gel and water mixture should not be very viscous and should not be very less viscous. Okay, it must have medium viscosity. Okay, it must have medium viscosity. The viscosity should not be very less and the viscosity should not be very large. Okay, so medium viscosity is required so that shower gel easily mixes with water. In order to do that, medium viscosity is required. So this particular compound, which has the structure like this, it is used as a viscosity controller, and this particular compound helps in maintaining medium viscosity. This particular compound helps in maintaining medium viscosity. Okay, so that's why this compound has been put. Now laureth 2, this is the structure of laureth 2. It is emulsifier. Lorex 2, this structure, its purpose is emulsifier. Now what does it mean by emulsifier? See, in this shower gel, some of the constituents are oil, okay, essential oil from plants, okay. Oil like components are also present in the shower gel. As oil like components are also present in the shower gel, so we need to put an emulsifier so that oil mixes well with water. You already know that oil is immiscible with water. Oil is immiscible with water. But if you put emulsifier like this, the emulsifier helps in dissolution of oil in water. The emulsifier helps in dissolution of oil in water. So the tea tree essential oils which have been put, they get dissolved in water easily because of this emulsifier, this particular compound. And one common example is Lorex 2, which has been put in the shower gel which we are discussing. Now benzotriazolyl dodecyl paracresol. Okay, benzotriazolyl dodecyl paracresol. This is the structure. This is the name. This is the structure. And what's its role? Its role is that it absorbs UV light, ultraviolet light. Okay, so it will protect you if you wash your body with this shower gel. This particular compound will absorb the UV light falling on your skin. This compound will absorb the UV light falling on your skin. Okay, so this is the purpose of putting this compound in the shower gel. It absorbs UV light. If after wash, suppose you bath with the shower gel, and this compound is absorbed by the skin, then after you go in the sunlight, UV light will not harm you. UV light will not harm you because this compound will absorb the UV light. So that is the thing. So UV light will not harm you. Now BHT, okay. BHT, the structure is like this, okay. BHT, just I am giving you one homework. Search the full form of this compound, BHT. Search its full form, okay, and write in the comment section. So this is the structure of BHT. BHT structure is something like this. Its purpose is to be used as an antioxidant. It has been put in the shower gel to make it behave like an antioxidant. And what does an antioxidant do? An antioxidant prevents the spoilage, okay, prevents oxidation of shower gel components. Okay, so it is an antioxidant which is preventing the oxidation of shower gel natural components, because natural components get oxidized very easily. So it is antioxidant which has been put. Now citral, okay, citral is a mixture of these isomers, and it is used for lemon fragrance. Okay, it has been put for lemon fragrance purpose. It has been put for lemon fragrance purpose. Then limonene, this limonene, it has been put for lemon fragrance purpose. Okay, so it appeals to the customer because of the fragrance. CI 19140, okay, tartrazine or CI 19140, tartrazine. Okay, it is a yellow coloring substance. It is a yellow coloring substance. So the washing gel, that is shower gel, looks yellow in color because of this compound. Okay, so in order to make the yellow color, they have put this. Okay, and again this final compound CI 14700, CI 14700, Scarlet GN is the name. Scarlet GN is the name. Structure is like this. It is also used for coloring. It is also used for coloring the shower gel. So this was the DNA of what? This was the DNA of these particular ingredient components. And how much hollow the claims of these big companies that this is natural soap, this is lemon powered soap, this is tea tree essential oil containing soap. All these claims of the companies, big companies, all these claims are actually falsehoods. Okay, so this shows how false they are. Okay, the things which have been written over here, they are proved wrong. If you look at the ingredients. These facts are proved wrong automatically. If you look at these ingredients, that is what is the essence of this particular paragraph.